What's good, everybody? What's good? How's it going? How's it going? Good morning. Is today Wednesday? Happy Wednesday. If you can, in the YouTube chat, let me know if the volume's good. You can hear the music and shit. Make sure the YouTube chat's working. Pretty much what I'm looking at here is on GJ. Well, first and foremost, I'm looking for some sells. I was looking at this little breakout here on the 30-minute pretty early. Was looking at on the 5-minute. Actually, I seen this 5-minute candle close below this 5-minute range here, and the other time frames like 15-minute, 30-minute were all kind of following suit. So I was gonna execute on that little push below, but to be honest with you, like when this 5-minute candle closed right here, this next one just opened up and drove down like instantly. So didn't enter, but this is something that I've been paying attention to a lot lately, is being able to potentially catch entries on based on the 5-minute and just expecting the higher time frames to follow suit. But yeah, it's a good thing that that I didn't end up executing on that, because it just barely went 10 pips, and with the spread, probably wouldn't have been able to secure. But I'm gonna pay attention to this for this flip, because now we're doing kind of what I really wanted to see happen, was a little pullback, so we can continue to drive down. So I was looking at that level right there on the 5-minute, but now we've created like a new range here on the 5-minute, so hourly, this could be like the top wick on the hourly to continue driving down. 4-hour already broke the low down here. Kind of already told us the direction that we wanted to continue traveling in. Gold's still not really doing anything at the moment. Yeah, so I think at this point I probably want to wait for 30-minute candle to close. Because, you know, like I like to do stops above or below the previous 30-minute candle. And the previous 30-minute candle, it's already broken the high. So it wouldn't make sense to try and catch a sell entry based on the 5-minute in this situation, in my opinion, because the 30-minute has broken the high already. What's the probability that it's going to go all the way down and break the lows? It can. That's going to be very good if it does, but since it's broken the high, I probably want to do stops based on the hourly. And if we look at the hourly, let's just like put this here for example. Whoops, that's the wrong direction. That's the wrong direction, big homie. So if we look at it here, stops probably be like there. That's 23 pips or so. But let's see where the entry would really be even. Entry would be, well, we'd want this candle to close bearish, and then we would take it as the low is broken. Yeah, so probably 28 pips or so based on the hourly. Yeah, so I think it's best to sit on the hands here. Wait for this 30-minute candle to close. Yeah, is the chat broken or what's going on here? You guys are live? Okay, Keys Kid. Okay, yeah, the chat is broken on my dashboard here. Can see it on my app, but not on my desktop.
Take a ride with me.
Yeah, no, I'm not in this. I'm not in this trade. Keys Kid. Just looking at it here, just speculating what could potentially happen. But this is kind of what I wanted to happen, honestly. I was seeing it drive down originally, and I was like, nah, you know, I'd like to see a pullback to continue driving down. Daily candle is currently bearish, but it also hasn't like given us a definite direction. It hasn't broken the high or the low. 4 hour broke the low, kind of. At the same time as the past rejection zone here, so we could just flip and continue bullish from this level. Oh, let's see. Buddha Marte. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but hey, what's happening? I like those French fries. Yeah, gold just ranging currently. Got some USD news, core retail sales. I don't think this does anything though. Core retail sales, so. Could we say the 30-minute is a fake out? It really depends on where it closes. And if it closes below this level, then I think we're good. If it closes above the level, then yeah, we could probably consider it a fake out. 100%. But I would probably want to wait for closure just to determine that first. Be right back. I'm gonna go grab my coffee. Noza, GJ to the moon. Yeah, maybe. That might happen. There's always possibilities. That's one thing we know with trading, right? Yeah, if we start rejecting, breaking the lows, then I might start to try and look for an entry here. Even this 15 minute that just printed is a nice sign of a rejection candle here. Gold is waiting to the news, isn't it? Yeah, probably is. Probably is. It moved pretty good overnight. So yeah, building up some liquidity potentially. I'm keeping my eye on this GJ situation here. Keeping my eye on the prize. In this case though, I probably want stops above the previous hourly. Actually, no, I think that would be dumb. To do it above current 30-minute, that would be previous 15-minute. I think it would be a potential cowboy situation here to enter, but it's really just like the pressure, and there's some freaking volume in the market right now. This thing is just jumping around, so I don't know why that's happening. But the entry would really just be based on like all of the time frames moving bearish. Keys kid, I wish I wasn't in a hurry to trade. Yeah, that's sometimes what I think about. Especially in these situations where I'm like almost trying to talk myself into a trade, you know. I'm like, maybe pump the brakes a little bit, Mike. Pump the brakes a little bit. But yeah, I mean, this is kind of the problem with gold too, is like I don't really like this area here in between 1833 and 1830. If we look over here to the left, have to go back a little ways. But this is a reason I don't really like that area. It's like we have a level right here, and we have some rejections in this area. So there's really not like a good tradable range here. I think it would be better below this area because we have a nice 36 pip range or so below that area. Alright, so we got the bearish closure on the 5-minute. It's like, what is the probability of this continuing to drive? I definitely think it can happen, but yeah, keys Kate, yeah, and I'm not really just considering the 5 minute here. I'm more so considering the fact that the story aligns, you know. So like daily candle is bearish, 4 hour candle is bearish, hourly candle is bullish, but at the same time rejecting this zone. Same type of thing with the 30 minute. We closed right at this level, and then this current hourly wicked up, it broke the high, and it's coming back down. So you know, it's like, is this 15 minute, now that it's essentially breaking the lows, creating higher low or lower highs and lower lows, is that going to start following suit? And so like we start to figure out like, all right, where do those confirmations come into play? You know, so we can say like, all right, cool, it starts on the 5 minute, 5 minute bearish closure, but it has to keep pushing bearish. But yeah, we got 15 minute, 30 minute, and hourly all closing in about 7 minutes. So it's going to give us a lot of information there. This also has a lot to do with trading and with the trend. You know, when you're trading with the trend, it's very easy to get these strong confirmations in the direction that you're going to be heading. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this looks beautiful to me. This looks beautiful to me to continue falling. Last 3 minutes of the candle. Gold still showing no love. Oh yeah, GJ is giving a nice little push here. Yeah, this honestly looks amazing. Be really nice if the 30-minute could engulf this bullish candle completely, but 2 minutes left in the candle. I don't know if that's gonna happen. Either way though, this 15-minute printed really nicely. This 5-minute had a nice break out of this little range that it created. And since it's doing it right at the end of the candle, this next candle open is probably going to continue that push down. It's going to continue that drive down, and it's probably not going to give us a very nice top wick. That's my assumption. Because we're seeing a lot of bearish pressure right here at the end of the candle. I think there's nothing really going on right now. Holy. Alright, I can't lie guys, I took that trade. I don't know if you can see that. You can just barely see the arrow where I entered, the break of the low, and you can see where it closed out. See, this is something I've been watching a lot. I've been watching this a lot. These 5-minute situations. Dang, man, this bad boy just drove right there at the end of the close. Look at that. Can you see that? That's a 5-minute. You see that? Blessed, baby, blessed. Come in here, just smash the markets. Came in here, just smashed the markets, man. $10-0 in February so far. 24 and 6 on the year. Alright, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna mark this up. Place my levels where we were in at. Yeah, that was honestly one of my best trades of the year right there. That was almost 1-to-1, 1% gain on that trade. That's pretty good. Add in my levels here. Entry 161.072. Stop was 161.179. Then I secured everything at 160.972. For a nice 10 pips. So yeah, pretty much a 1-to-1.
Smoke a sack, keep a mag. Sippin' lean, lean, lean. Good chill, pop a bill. Make a scene, scene, scene. 50 racks, Sunday bands, up my jeans, jeans, jeans. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Flip a bag, bring it back. Do it clean, clean, clean. Smoke a sack, keep a mag. Sippin' lean, lean, lean. Good chill, pop a pill.
Easy, easy, easy. Alright, so I just want to, I want to explain this real quick. Why I took the trade. Madi, thanks for subscribing, man. So first and foremost, daily candle direction, bearish. You know, I've been talking about a lot lately. Only been trading in the direction of the daily candle. That's really the only thing I want to do. 4-hour candle, bearish. And we broke the low on the 4-hour, so it really kind of confirmed the direction of the 4-hour candle. Hourly candle was bullish when I took the trade, but I was just anticipating it since it hadn't broken the top here, and we were kind of rejecting this area, this past support resistance zone, just expecting it to continuing to follow suit. 30-minute, same type of thing. It was just barely flipping bearish at this point and rejecting this area, this past support resistance zone. So just anticipating it to continue to follow suit. 15-minute. This is where I kind of like really got the confirmations. The 15-minute closed as a rejection candle, you know, a weak bullish candle with a nice wick, indicating to me like, okay, cool, we can break the lows and we can continue bearish. If we break the lows and continue bearish, that's a very good confirmation. But what can we tie that to? We can tie that to the 5-minute time frame here. And that's where, you know, I seen this bearish candle close. Then I took it on the next candle as I broke the low to continue moving bearish. And that was also the 15-minute candle breaking the low here. So it's a story across time frames, right? So if we think about it, the main indicators for this, in my opinion, were daily candle bearish, 4-hour candle bearish with a broken low already. It had already broken a low before I took the trade. And so that gave me a strong indication like, okay, cool, that's the direction we're gonna go. You know, the direction we're gonna go bearish. The hourly time frame, same type of thing. We had a strong bearish candle closure below this support and resistance level. And we're rejecting this. So it's really just anticipating the hourly to respect its own high, continue moving bearish. 30-minute time frame here. It had already broken the high, but it was rejecting, starting to flip bearish. So I was anticipating it to continue to drive down. 15-minute, this was honestly like one of the main indicators right here in my mind. This 15-minute candle closed with a weak bullish candle with a nice rejection. At this point, I was basically telling myself, okay, cool. If we break the highs, we're probably going to continue bullish. We're going to continue this pullback. If we break the highs right here, probably going to continue up, potentially test this level here or something like that. But if we break the lows, just like it did, if we break the lows, then we could probably come down into this level here, test that level here. And with higher time frames, you know, we had clear range to continue moving bearish. Over here, the left-hand side, you know, clean candles coming down. So the higher time frames gave us those clean candles coming down. So matched with this 15-minute confirmation, I look for a confirmation on the 5-minute. And that confirmation on the 5-minute was really this candle right here closing. Once this candle closed, I was like, alright, cool. We have a bearish closure at this support and resistance zone alongside with this this 15-minute. This 15-minute closing as a nice rejection candle that was right in the same area. 30-minute creating the top wick to continue moving bearish. Hourly, same thing, top wick to continue moving bearish. 4-hour candle already really strong bearish, just anticipating it to continue to follow suit, and so on. Really simple trade. Really simple trade. That's something that I'm gonna continue to test. I'm gonna continue to try out, and we'll see how it works out for us. Continue to look at those 5-minute time frames for entries, because like the difference of all of this, the big benefit of all of this is I had a 10 pip stop loss. Those of you guys that have been following me for a while know that typically my stop loss is 20-30 pips plus. You know, it'll be pretty large. Yeehaw, what is the daily bias on GJ? So for me, I was bearish because of the direction of the daily candle. So it's pretty much bearish, and less price came all the way up here. And less price came up here to 161,986. I was looking at sells, and that's why I took sells. But yeah, guys, so I mean, that's pretty much it. Took our 10 pips and dipped off of that trade. Yeah, I mean, I'm not really going to be looking for anything else today. Gold, I would like to see a pullback of some sorts and then come retest this support that's being created, or that was created. For GJ, not really sure what can happen here. Not really sure what could happen here. Have to get more candles printed. I mean, I'd like to say that it's gonna come down here to 167.18 or so, but we don't really know. But yeah, guys, no sense in me staying here. There's lots of other people streaming. You got I think I just saw that Raja's live. Donvo's live. Malcolm, thanks for subscribing, man. Thank you. Other people that are live, real quick, we'll do a little advertisement. You can hop in my Telegram channel. It's free. Links in the description. Post things in here. It's been a little dry here. I don't know what's going on with everybody. Nobody likes me anymore, I guess. But used to be a lot of action here in London session, but I'm not sure if these guys aren't trading London or what's going on. But yeah, anyways, you can hop in this group if you wish. That way, you know, when I go live, you can hop in, join in with me, and we can catch these trades together. But other than that, to be honest with you guys, I'm gonna shut this thing down. I'm gonna hop on Raja's stream, probably check that out for a little bit. I'm actually just gonna continue on my work day. I got a lot of shit to do, so I've been super busy lately. So I'd rather not sit here and I'd rather not sit here on the stream. I'd rather just get some work done. So yep, that's it for the day. Thank y'all for popping in while I was here. I'm gonna continue onward with my day. Like I said, feel free to hop in the Telegram group. It's free. Links in the description of the video and the description of my YouTube channel here. Hope you all have a great Wednesday. We'll come back, do it again. In and out. Hopped in for just a quick second here. Made some money. We're gonna carry on with the day. Make sure you give a like to the stream. If you're new to the stream, make sure you subscribe. And we'll be back here tomorrow, 6:30 a.m. Eastern time. Do it again. Peace, peace. Peace out, everybody. Have a good one.
Go off like a bomb. Okay. Smash the speakers. Okay. Push the tempo. Okay. Smash the speakers. Okay. Push the tempo. Now let me see you go. Now let me see you go. Go off like a bomb. Now let me see you go. Now let me see you go. Go off like a bomb. Okay. Smash the speakers. Okay. Push the tempo. Okay. Smash the speakers. Okay. push the tempo.